Hey guys, welcome to Digibuff. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we'll be checking out a wireless doorbell by Costar called Pebble 350. This doorbell is highly rated on Amazon, so let's check it out. A fairly straightforward unboxing experience. On the box, you will find the Costar branding and the company claims a range of 300 meters on this device. In the box, you will find the doorbell itself with the Indian style plug and a speaker cutout. You get the switch which has a blue LED indicator surrounding it, which is aesthetically pleasing. You also get two sticky pads to attach it to your wall, and with that you also get a few screws if you want to mount it. On the box mentioned is the range, 32 type of doorbell tones, and 5 levels of volume. On the side you have two buttons, one which is used to change the tone and the other one is to control the volume. So let's plug it in and test it. The product is very well made and it's useful for many use cases. You can easily install it in your apartment, office, and many more places. One thing I would want to point out that the volume level can be a bit louder. Apart from that, a very useful product and the installation is very simple. This doorbell costs around $1,099, but the price often changes on Amazon. This was a quick unboxing and review of the Costar Wireless Doorbell. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and subscribe to Digibuff. Thanks for watching guys, I will see you on the next one.